Is Chrome refusing to cooperate and leaving you stranded offline? First, let's dive into Task Manager, accessible by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Save. Scroll down and look for any Chrome processes still running. If you spot any, select each one individually and click End Task to forcefully close them. This clears out any lingering instances that might be preventing Chrome from starting fresh. Next, conflicting extensions can often be sneaky culprits. Reopen Chrome, if possible, in safe mode by pressing Windows Cure to open the Run box. Type Chrome's disable extensions in the Run box, and then press Enter if Chrome opens. Type Chrome extensions in the address bar and press Enter. Systematically disable your extensions one by one, restarting Chrome each time. To pinpoint the problematic extension once found, either remove or update it. Still no luck? It's time for the big guns. Reinstalling Chrome. Head to your control panel, find Chrome in the list of installed programs, and uninstall it. Then, head over to Google's website and download a fresh copy of Chrome. Follow the installation instructions, and you should be browsing in no time. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these solutions has gotten Chrome back up and running smoothly, letting you get back to your online adventures. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.